Become a human lighthouse, shine your light. Awakening to your true nature. Chapter 1: Awakening to your true nature. In this vast existence, you need not be weighed down by the mind's limitations. Release yourself from the confines of transient thoughts and emotions. Observe them with distance, don't attach your identity to the drama of your mind. Bring your consciousness to the present. Find your inner body, the life force animating your physical form. Feel the subtleties of its energy. There lies presence. Don't look to thoughts of past and future for your sense of self. They are phantoms. Illusions. Your true nature is beyond the mind. You are consciousness observing what passes before you. Pure awareness. Shed the labels, the judgments, the criticisms your ego projects onto the present moment. Allow what is to simply be. Perceive its suchness without distortion. There you will find stillness. Do not cling to negative emotions. Anger, regret, jealousy, they cloud the unconditioned consciousness you are. Don't get tied to the mind's melodramas. You remain the untouched witness. Anything you observe, you are not. You are the observer. You are not emotion, sensation, perception, or object of thought. You are the still presence of awareness itself. Here in this timeless moment. Thoughts will come and go like passing clouds, but your essence remains. You are the sky observing the clouds. Don't get lost in mental narratives. Come back to the simplicity of being. You are already complete as formless awareness. You need nothing to make you whole, for you are infinite consciousness. Drop all seeking. There is nowhere to go, nothing to achieve. Be fully in this moment. Awaken from the dream of separateness, identifying with mind and body. You are existence itself. Feel the interconnectedness, the unity hidden beneath the illusion of apartness. Just be and shine your inner light. Chapter 2: Stilling the waves of the mind. The mind is a turbulent sea, its waves rising and falling in ceaseless motion. Do not attempt to stop the waves, this will only exhaust you. Instead, become the silent depths beneath the surface. Observe how the winds of thought and emotion create restlessness upon the waters. But deep within you remains stillness. Don't get caught up in reacting to each passing wave. Remember the calm vastness that lies beneath. In meditation, watch the waves without following them. Some will be storms, ferocious in their fury. Others will be mild ripples, barely noticeable. Know that neither require a reaction. You remain the sea, not the waves. Don't let your identity be tossed about by the mind's churning. Know yourself as the timeless space allowing all waves to come and go. You are the container, not the contents. Find solace in this. At times, the mind may seem overwhelming, dominating your consciousness. When this happens, return to your breath. Feel its gentle rhythm. It will anchor you in the present, out of the mental maelstrom. Invest no energy in resisting the waves or wishing them away. Simply know they are not what you are. You are the depth from which they rise and to which they return. So remain still, stay centered in presence, and allow the mind's noise to occur around you. But don't reach out and grab each thought that floats by. Let them be like clouds passing in the sky while you remain the sky itself, silent, spacious, serene. You are not disturbed by the winds and water. You allow them, conscious of what is arising and falling in each moment. This witnessing presence brings tranquility to the turbulence. Soon the waves subside back into stillness. Chapter 3: Discovering Inner Freedom. Do not seek freedom in the external world, for true freedom lies within. It emanates from consciousness itself. Look there, and you will find liberation. The ego seeks freedom in possessions, achievements, titles, but no outer form can encapsulate your infinite being. You remain untouched by the comings and goings of this world. Know yourself as the pure awareness that perceives all forms. Realize yourself as the space in which all manifestations come and go. You are that through which everything moves, not the things themselves. The ego also seeks freedom by controlling outcomes. But this is merely illusion, for much lies outside your dominion. Release attachment to results. Act with integrity, then accept what unfolds. Do not look to relationships, status, or approval from others to provide freedom. For your value resides within. You require nothing outside yourself to be complete. The mind paints pictures of how life should be in order for you to be happy. But don't get trapped in these ideals. True freedom means embracing reality as it is. Freedom comes and you relinquish judgments about the present moment. Allow this moment to be as it is, and you align with what is. Herein lies liberation. When you feel burdened by bitterness, worry, or resentment, remember, you hold the key to freedom. It is your choice not to cling to negativity. Do not make demands of the now, wishing it different than it is. For everything you need resides within consciousness already. The light of awareness has no needs. It is self-sufficient. Surrender to what is. No resistance, just allowing. There is great freedom in acceptance. Know yourself as the consciousness in which all opposites come and go. This is inner freedom. Chapter 4: Becoming an Instrument of Light. As you travel farther along the path of awakening, you will naturally become an instrument of light in the world. Your presence will illuminate others. When you rest in the awareness of your true nature, you emit peaceful vibrations without needing to try. Your state of being will uplift those around you. Make the present moment your temple. When you dwell deeply in the now, you become a living prayer. Your consciousness sends ripples of grace into the collective field. See all of life as sacred. Be reverent towards all beings and things. When you perceive the divine essence in everything, you exude love. As you shed limiting beliefs about yourself, you reveal more of your soul's radiance. Self-acceptance allows your light to shine bright. With non-judgment comes compassion towards others. You understand all are on their own journey. Empathy illuminates hearts and builds unity. Stay centered in stillness as you move through the world. Inner calm will anchor you while chaos brews around you. Be a lake of tranquility, when you release negativity and live from the heart. Darkness has no hold on you. Shine your true nature, and shadows disappear. Keep an unwavering focus on adding value wherever you go. Be of benefit to all. This is how you become a force for good. Stay present even when praised or criticized. Don't get caught in ego. Remain humble and retain your light. As an awakened being, your purpose is not to chase labels and accomplishments. It is to glow with the power that created the cosmos. Trust that your inner light has ripple effects, touching lives and stirring souls in unseen ways. You are making a difference.